Hi roller skaters. Today we are outside. There's some background music, so I hope you can hear me, but that's actually cool because I have this little kind of sequence, rhythmic sequence that I like to do moving backwards. So if you're already, really good at backwards skating or even fairly good at backwards skating and you want to kind of zazz it up a little bit, add a little pizzazz or something a little rhythmic, this is really fun to do. So you kind of need to be able to travel a little bit. You can do this in a small space if you keep it small, but it flows a little more if you can find a place like a path or maybe a sidewalk or your driveway or patio or some area that you can find to do this in. And it can be fun at the rink once we can go back there too. So moving backwards, just like with a backward roll, I'm gonna cross my left over my right, just like a step, step, step. Then my right over my left, step, step, step. Then left over right, step. Do one spin to the left, stop.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
It's nice we got some music too.
Yes, very nice. We'll be able to pick it up to rhythm. Now after that, then I'm gonna go right over left, step, step, step. Left over right, step, step, step. Right over left, spin to the right. Again.
Ooh,
so
that's
we keep
nice.
repeating back and forth. What I like about this is sort of like a puzzle for your mind. Because for me, I like to turn to the left. It's more natural. Turning to the right feels less natural, but doing it both ways helps us kind of get the rhythm both ways, and it's kind of good for us to be more than one-sided. So let's try that again. All right, so we're gonna go left over, right, step back and out. Right over left, step back and out. Left over right, back and spin.
Yeah.
Right over left, back and out. Left over right, back and out. Right over left, spin right. Again. So
nice.
I'm gonna try to do it to a little more of a rhythm. At first you might want to do it super slow.
Yeah, this guy's music is real good for this kind
slow,
of stuff.
So this is awesome music, thank you. So we're gonna try again, kind of nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left over right, right over left, left over right,
spin
left, right over left, left over right, right over left,
spin
right, left over right, right over left, left over right,
spin
left, right
yeah.
over left, left over right, right over left, spin right. Get into it, kind of with your arms, you can move your arms however you want, whatever feels smooth and natural to you. So you kind of get to a flow.
It's smooth, pretty fluid looking.
Pretty
I like
fun.
it.
I think it feels fun. And again, when we're moving, backwards.
Crowd me.
I'm gonna turn this way.
Okay.
So, when we're moving backwards, it always helps to kind of get your head involved too, so you're looking where you're going. So I'm gonna try that, kind of get my head more involved. That way, if you do see a rock or a crack or a stick, you can hopefully avoid it. All right, so let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left over right, right over left, left over right.
Spin left.
Right over left, left over right, right over left.
Spin right.
Get into it.
Yeah.
It's a fun little groove. This music is nice and slow.
We lucked out today.
We're really lucky that we got some music here.
We didn't plan it.
We didn't plan it, but it is fun. If you can get outside, or even to a patio, or wherever you can get some fresh air and sunshine, is awesome. Or if you're inside, you might be able to kind of make this smaller, like mini things, to fit inside. But if you can flow outside, get some air and sunshine, and be appropriately distant. But everyone's out here, he's fishing, he's got great music. I hope that's something fun for y'all, something to try. I know that it's nice to just try different things to kind of challenge ourselves and have fun, flow with the music. So hopefully that's useful. Please let us know, and please like and comment, subscribe. Thanks.